Hello children, how are you? I hope all of you are fine and safe at home. Today I will teach you class 7 chapter 2 A Gift of Chapel part 4. Three days I have taught you from this chapter and the remaining part of the lesson I will teach you today. In this lesson we have read that Mridu came to Meena and Ravi house. Ravi took her to the backyard where he showed her the kitten. After that, they heard a beggar was calling Amma Amma, and when Ravi came to tell that he should go, they saw blister on his feet. So they gave a pair of chappals which were kept on the veranda to them. Soon after, the music teacher came out and he got that his slippers were not there. So he started searching everywhere and also told that it was the cost of whole month fees. Then Lali went and to tell her mother. Rukumani came there looking upset, and Pati also came after her. Pati was worried and she told where they could be. She also told it was the matter of worry and they guessed that somebody might have stolen them because many vendors were coming to their door. Rukumani caught sight of Ravi, Mridu and Meena sitting under the tree. Have you children, she began, and then seeing they were curiously quiet went on more slowly. They asked to the children also. Children were very silent and they were looking very slow also. Seen anyone lurking around the veranda, a sharp V-shaped line had formed between her eyebrows. Another straight, tighter one appeared in place of her usually soft, pleasant mouth. Rukumani is angry, thought Mridu with a shiver. She wouldn't be so upset if she knew about the poor beggar with sores on his feet, she tried to tell herself. Then she saw that someone was hiding around the veranda and his eyebrow was also grew in V-shape. Rukumani was angry, but Mridu thought that she wouldn't be upset if she knew about the sore feet of the beggar. Taking a deep breath, she cried, Rukumani, there was a beggar here. Poor thing had such boils on his feet. She shouted. At first she took breath, then she shouted that there was... Then Rukumani asked, so means she had a question, that so they had given the chappals of music teacher. Then Pati also groaned, shouted that the children of these days are very naughty. Then Ravi told that, Amma, didn't you tell that about Karna who gave his gold earring to the... he was so kind and generous. Then Rukumani snapped and she told that Karna did not give the thing of other people. He gave his own only. And then Ravi told that his chappals would not fit to the beggar. And if they would fit, he would really give them to the beggar. Now Rukumani said angrily she said Ravi. After that she went indoors very quickly and brought Gopu Mama's new chappals which were hardly worn. It means not worn. And she told that those chappals would fit to the music teacher. And she also apologized for her son's this silly act. she told that my son has been very naughty, so I am very sorry. The music teacher was very happy inside. His eyes lit up, but he did not show his happiness. He told, I think these will have to do. These days children have no respect for elders. He told so. What to do? Rukmani's eyes flashed. She stood stiff and straight by the front door. It was clear she wanted him to leave quickly. She stood stiff and straight, and it was showing that she wanted that the music teacher would leave quickly. When music teacher clattered off in his new chappals, she said, Mridu, come in and have some tiffin. Then she called Mridu inside and told her to have some tiffin. Then she told them honestly that how did they do such things. And also she thanked God that Gopu Mama did not wear chappals to work that day. And she walked toward the kitchen with Mridu and Meena. She suddenly began to laugh. But he is always in such a hurry to throw off his shoes and socks and get into his chappals as soon as he comes home. When Gopu Mama would come home, he would ask for the chappals. And then what he was going to say that evening when Rukumani told him that she gave the chappal to the music master. Now today we have ended the chapter. The writer of the story is Basanta Surya. In this lesson we have read that the little children like Ravi, Mridu and Meena gave music master's chappal to the beggar, and for this Gopu Mama's slippers were given to the music teacher. Music teacher was internally happy to get new pair of slippers. Here Rukumani was also not, she showed anger to them in front of music master, but in fact she was not angry on her children. From this lesson we have learnt that we can give to the beggar, but our own thing, not the thing of others. Thanks.